Goddamn, here's some live play, double goddamn nothing on Money Rain. Not necessarily a new game to SC Guy, but definitely one I have not played very much. It's a $6 max bet, living dangerously. Could be hot, could be not. Could be, oh god, come on. No. Oh shit. Come on, bitch. That sucked. Come on, dollar cents, yes. What do we need? 10s or 1s, I think, right? Craptastic. Damn it. Get those dollar signs. Oh my god, land the free. Oh, you can't get the bonus symbol. 500's fine. Oh my god. Asshole game. Do the thing that scares the hell out of me. Where you spin around really fast and get your fucking tweak on. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Come on. Oh. Yeah, dollar signs. Oh.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
You can't record still.
Oh.
You can take pictures.
Okay.